Okay, I'm Yankee Bravo 6 Alpha Romeo. My name is Suchok. This is crazy of the yagi. 4-element yagi belong Yankee Bravo 6 Alpha Oscar. Very strong winds, okay? 150 kilometers per hour maybe. Very strong, very strong. Look like a sea leather of the element, every elements. But the other one for driving is a broken. Broken. Still prepare before the winds come here. Okay. So very strong. This is our design for the 4-element yagi. Belong Yankee Bravo C Alpha Oscar with the flexible elements. Okay, with the fishing route, it's not the full size, only 80% for the actual size of the 4-element yagi. Okay, the spider is nothing problem, but the yagi is a very big problem, and we care about this yagi. Okay, so whoa. Maybe you can hear the sound of the wind. This yagi 30 meters above the ground. Okay, 30 meters above the ground. Okay. Whoa. Sea leather. The element like sea leather. Okay. Okay. Very strong wind. Very strong. Okay. This may be position of yagi direct to Japan. Actually, it's not rotator at this moment because the rotator still prepare on top, so we are lock only the masting with some clamp here. Okay, look over there, the element for the reflector 1, and then driver number 1, driver number 2, and director. The long boom about 13.5 meters actually, yes. I think the tower is strong enough, but the antenna we care. Very danger. I don't know. Maybe it is strong enough for the elements. Okay, well, thank you very much for watching the big wind of the Aceh. See you soon. See you on the band. The YB CGR. Ciao.